Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to look at a huge time saver in Asana. We will learn how to duplicate a project. This skill is perfect for anyone with repeating workflows. Think about a process you do over and over. Maybe it's onboarding a new employee or launching a weekly marketing campaign. Instead of building a new project from scratch each time, you can create a perfect copy in just a few clicks. This ensures consistency and saves a ton of setup time. Let's get started and see exactly how to do it. First, you need to open the project you want to duplicate. Navigate to that project in your Asana workspace. At the top of the project page, you will see the project's title. Right next to the title, there is a small downward-facing arrow. Click on that arrow to open the Project Actions menu. In the menu that appears, you will see several options. Find and click on the one that says Duplicate Project. This will open a new pop-up window called Duplicate Project. This window is very important because it gives you full control over what gets copied. You can give your new project a different name right at the top. It's a good idea to name it something clear. Below the name, you will see a list of checkboxes under the Keep section. This lets you choose exactly which elements to bring over to the new project. You can choose to keep the project description, all the tasks, and even the project members if the same team will be working on it. You can also decide if you want to copy the task assignees and due dates. The dates option is especially powerful. You can choose to keep the original dates, or you can set new ones. If you set new dates, Asana can automatically shift the entire project timeline. For example, you can set a new start date, and all the task due dates will adjust accordingly. This is fantastic for using a project as a template. Other options you can select include copying tags, custom fields, and task dependencies. Copying dependencies is crucial for complex projects where tasks need to be completed in a specific order. You can also copy task collaborators and even attachments. A very useful option is the ability to decide whether or not to include completed tasks. For a new project template, you would typically leave this box unchecked. Once you have selected all the options you need, click the big Create New Project button at the bottom. Asana will then begin creating your new project in the background. For larger projects with many tasks and attachments, this might take a minute or two. You will see a notification once it's ready. You now have a brand new, perfectly copied project, ready for your team to start working on. And that's all there is to it. Duplicating projects is a simple yet powerful way to standardize your processes and work more efficiently. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you learned something new today, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more productivity tips and Asana tricks. We'll see you in the next video.